Hi, I'm Al Sutherland with your Mesonet Weather Report. February and March have been great months for needed rainfall. A rainfall map for the last 30 days through Wednesday shows how precipitation events have added up for the last days of February and the first 3 weeks of March. There are a lot of colors on this map. The green areas had rain amounts of 3/4 of an inch to 2 inches. The yellow and brown areas ranged from 2 inches to 4 inches. The orange areas are those from 4 to 5 inches. The bands of red had more than 5 inches, and the purplish red more than 6 inches of precipitation. The highest total for a Mesonet site was 5 24/100 at Cookson. A map of precipitation for the last 60 days has the majority of Oklahoma colored olive green, green, or blue. These colors represent those areas receiving 80 to 200% of normal rainfall from mid-January to mid-March. That is a great change from what we have gone through for most of this winter. A map from October 1st, the beginning of our current water year, has the bulk of the state colored orange or yellow. That is between 40 and 80% of normal. A below normal water year so far is one reason why Oklahoma continues to have various levels of drought designation. The western part of the Panhandle and southwest Oklahoma are red-purple for exceptional drought status, the highest drought level. The red areas are in extreme drought, orange areas are rated severe, and the tan areas moderate. Precipitation during February and March did help Oklahoma's upper soil moisture. Checking the soil moisture at the 10-inch depth on Wednesday shows that the majority of the state is dark green, with excellent soil moisture at 10 inches. Soil moisture at 10 inches begins to drop off in the Panhandle, but are still above 60% moisture. The southwest is the driest location, with Tipton coming in at just 0.2 fractional water index, or only 20% of sensor soil moisture. Dropping down to 24 inches in the soil shows up some bone dry spots like Goodwell, Buffalo, and a larger area covering Jackson, Tillman, and Cotton counties. 0 is the driest you can get with Mesonet soil sensors. Good soil moisture in the root zone of wheat and canola gives us more hope that these crops will turn out well, and good upper soil moisture will also help get pasture and hay off to a good start later this spring. And having good soil moisture is the first step to getting more water into Oklahoma's ponds and lakes. Now we just need March to finish out wet and then continue with moist weather into April and May. Thanks for joining us. We hope to be with you again soon for another Mesonet Weather Report.